Hey everybody, we just pushed out a new feature that lets our AI agents and workflow automation tools make phone calls. So let me show you how easy it is to set up. Just go over here to the agent tab. I have to create a project, so I'm just going to call it a phone demo. And I'm going to name my agent assistant. And all you have to do is click phone access. Once you do that, it gives the agent access to perform an outbound call up to 10 minutes. So I'm going to hit save. And then down here, I'm just going to show you really quick. I'm going to say call, and I'm going to put the phone number, and wish Tony a happy birthday. It is not my birthday yet, but we're just testing it out. So I'm going to wait on my phone. I should get a call any second here. So I'm getting this call that I've saved. We have two numbers. Anyways, let's put on speaker.
I'm calling to wish you a very happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Who's wishing me happy birthday?
It's me, your virtual assistant. I hope you have a fantastic day and that all your birthday wishes come true.
Wow, that's so nice. Thanks. So that's the idea. It can call and just do things for you. It could follow up on a lead. It could just confirm that someone's going to make their appointment today. It can even wish people happy birthday. So that was super easy. It takes a few seconds after the call is done to finalize it and create an audio recording that you can then go download. So you see here it says listen to call, and then it gives us an update. It gives us the transcript. And if you look at the details button here, it'll open up a dialog, and it tells you, it gives you the URL to go download this. It gives you the duration of the call. It gives you what number it called. It gives you a lot of cool things. So just if you want to look into what actually happened. Now, how do you use phone calling in your workflows? Let's jump over to the project and let's click new workflow. Let's call it phone demo workflow. And in this case, you could use a trigger, and the trigger can obviously, you'll build a flow and then it can call. For this use case, or for this example, I'm just going to do the manually run. And there's a few options, a few different ways you could do a phone call. So if you type phone, you'll see this make phone call. And the description says make an AI phone call using Letka.io credits. So if you click on that, you put in the phone number, you can select from the voice, you can give the AI a prompt, so the instructions, any information it needs. We currently don't have a way for this step or the AI to like go read your Google Calendar while it's on the phone. That's something we'll be working on in the future. But this is super simple. You hit save, and then when it gets to this step on the workflow, it'll make the call. So super cool. Another thing, another way to use it, instead of using the one we have set up, you can use this other one called Make Phone Call, which is the same name, but this one has this Vapi logo. This Vapi software is what we're using under the hood. And maybe you want to go in and build your own, like sign up on the platform and build your own very custom agents that have like very custom tools and stuff like that. And then you can reference it in our workflow. So like you set up your connection, your API key, and you can reference one of the assistants you've created in that platform. You can use one of the phone numbers you have set up in the platform, and then you can override your assistant's prompts and stuff like that using some of the other settings. So there's that way to do it. And then if you want, and then, sorry, I'm getting into the weeds here, but if you wanted to use your own Vapi account and then give that as a tool to your agent, you could do that. So say this is set up using Vapi, and then you want to output the transcript back to your agent. You just have to output the transcript data from this step. And then let's enable this. And then if we go to our assistant, you just have to enable it as a workflow, as a tool. So if you go to the enable workflow button, you can now give the phone demo workflow as a tool to your agent. So now your agent, if it needs to make a phone call as part of its instructions, it can execute that workflow, do the call, and then the output of that call will be given back to the agent, and the agent will continue and perform its task. So that's more of a, if you really want to like control what's happening. But for the most part, all you have to do is configure, check phone access, and it can make a phone call. So hope this is really useful to you. If you have any feedback or if you have any questions, reach out.